Hey folks, quick message from ChurchHouseClassics, me, Richard. I hope you're all coping with this pandemic, this global disaster that is coronavirus. You're dealing with it. I'm sort of like, you know, I go good days and I have shit days. Today's a reasonable day, which isn't too bad. It's a miserable fucking affair this is, I tell you. I mean, I'm lucky, really, because although I'm isolated from the missus and my sons, and I know you guys are thinking, you lucky bastard, but you know, every now and then a chap needs a kiss and a cuddle. And being this far away from the missus is not helping. Anyway, all I was going to do is a really quick message, this one. I've had a few folk drop me messages about, can they buy me a drink? Oh crikey, that truck's on the wrong fucking side of the road. What's a good grief! Fucking having that one. What a wank state. Right, we'll do that again. Hey folks, I'm back again. I'm just going to slide in the footage of that truck coming down the wrong side of the road at my dash cam. Hey, all I was going to do is a really quick message, this one. I've had a few folk drop me messages about, can they buy me a drink? Oh crikey, that truck's on the wrong fucking side of the road. What's a that was impressive. That really was. Anyway, apologies for the profanity. I might have had to bleep a couple of words out there. But yeah, there's been a couple of folk drop me emails saying that they'd like to buy me a drink, and far be it from me to shirk people's generosity and never look a gifted horse in the mouth. I've set up a PayPal account against my ChurchHouseClassics@gmail.com email address. So if you want to contact me, then use that address. If you want to buy me a pint, oh, thank you very much. You know, I'm going to say cheers to you every single. Just make sure if you do buy me a pint by donating money, just make sure you leave me a name or something. It can be any name you want it to be. And I'll give you a shout out on the next video enjoying my pint. And if anyone has got any tips or tricks on how I might improve this channel, again, just drop an email over. I don't bite. All of this channel so far has been done based on kind of me. I watch other people's channels, and some channels I like and some I don't, and when I don't like a channel I work out what it is I don't like about it, and I don't do that. But I don't know many other channels that kind of operate like this one. So I've been told by a couple of people that this is a fairly unique channel. I'm sure it isn't. I'm sure they just haven't found another. There goes my fucking phone! Right, let's try that again. I don't know where I got to now. Let's start again. Yeah, so, I mean, if you want to buy me a beer, a haircut, some anger management lessons, a better camera, or you have advice or suggestions on how I might improve this channel, because I mean, all of this I do, the whole thing really has just been based on my understanding of what I want to broadcast. I don't know if it's right, I don't know if it's wrong. People tell me it's right, so I carry on doing it. And if it pisses you off, then let me know, because I can change things. If people have got better ideas about how I might do this, then I can do that, or I can take on the ideas. And you know, every single piece of footage here I do for you guys. I don't do it for me really. And I spent hours editing the videos on my crappy old Windows laptop, which is painfully slow. But you know, I'm not asking for another one. I do it, it's a laugh, and I post the videos up, and all of this is voluntary. And then, you know, if you have a problem with your Land Rover, Range Rover, classic car, whatever, then you reach out to me via my Gmail address or my website, ChurchHouseClassics.co.uk, wherever the fucking link is, I don't know. So you guys reach out to me and I give free advice. I don't want to charge for the advice, I'm sharing knowledge. But if you guys, you know, have had advice and you think, do you know what, that Richard bloke, he's bad-tempered and he's got a really nasty attitude, but he helped me. And you think, I'm going to buy him a pint, this should be a laugh. Then here's the means and mechanism to do so. So I'll stick it in the description below. But basically, if you're watching on the telly or whatever, then just go, if you go to PayPal, and you can make a donation to friend or whatever it is, bollocks, and ChurchHouseClassics, all one word, @gmail.com. And that's it, that's all I want to say. I'm going to go get some more beer now, because I've run out. And I need to go and, I mean, it is essentials. I've not managed to get any indication of when I'm going to get my hair cut. I'm going to do a 400-mile round trip in a couple of weekends' time to go and do a bit of exercise in my back garden. Boris says I can't go in the house, but I can go in the back garden. I can go for a walk with the missus, then I can come back down to Devon again. Or I can start self-isolating now, away from my dad for 2 weeks, and move back in at home again.